Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on November the 24th, 2020. Tesla CEO Musk ranks second as world's richest man. Tesla CEO Elon Musk surpassed Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates in the Bloomberg Billionaires Index ranking of the richest people on the planet, coming in second place. The businessman managed to do it against the background of the rise in the price of Tesla shares to $595 per share and the growth of the company's capitalization of $500 billion. After that, his fortune reached $127.9 billion. Tesla shares rose 6% on Monday and 27% up on profit since the announcement a week ago of S&P 500 debut in December, forcing index funds to buy billions of dollars in its shares. In 2020, the company's sales grew by about 500%, and Tesla is now the most expensive carmaker in the world, even though production is only a fraction of Toyota, Volkswagen, or General Motors. Stocks rally on Biden transition and new secretary. Stocks rose on Tuesday as Trump gave official Twitter permission to President-elect Joe Biden to begin the transition. This boosted the already rosy mood about the progress made on COVID-19 vaccines and the prospects for a rapid global economic recovery. U.S. stocks also showed further growth after reports that Biden plans to appoint former Federal Reserve Chairman Janet Yellen as the next Secretary of the Treasury. The Dow Jones Industrial Average Index rose 1.12% overnight, the S&P 500 rose 0.56%, and the Nasdaq Composite Index rose only 0.22%. Australia's S&P ASX 200 Index rose 1.26% to its highest level in almost 9 months, with energy company stocks leading the way. Japanese Nikkei jumped 2.47%, the highest level since May 1999. Futures on Eurostoxx 50 and FTSE grew 0.52% and 0.42% respectively. German economy beats growth forecasts. Germany's gross domestic product grew by a record 8.5% in the third quarter as Europe's largest economy partly recovered from an unprecedented plunge caused by the first wave of the COVID-19 pandemic in spring, the Statistics Office said on Tuesday. Published data on German GDP for the third quarter is a recovery after a historic drop of 9.7% in the previous quarter. However, more interest may be caused by the influential IFO Business Climate Index for November, which will be published later in the session. This is expected to slow to 90.1 from 92.7, subject to restrictions during the month to tackle the second wave of coronavirus. BlackRock acquires Aperio from Golden Gate Capital. BlackRock Inc., the world's largest asset manager, said Monday it will buy Aperio Group LLC as an investment management service provider from a private equity firm Golden Gate Capital and Aperio employees for $1.05 billion in cash. The company said the transaction would increase SMA assets by approximately 30% to more than $160 billion. The transaction will be funded by existing corporate liquidity and is expected to close in the first quarter of 2021. BlackRock plans to manage Aperio as a separately branded, vertically integrated team in the U.S. division of Wealth Advisory.